Good morning. So we just did our weekly weigh-in. Is this week 3 or 4?
3 weeks.
Yeah, that makes sense. They were born on June 1st and today is the 22nd. They were born late at night on the 1st. So Joelle got them all weighed this morning. We got pictures. It was a little bit easier to get photos individually today because I just held them. I'm hoping that as they get a little bit bigger, we can get individual photos without people's hands in the picture. But this is Yellow, and he's a boy. And this is Pink, and she's a girl. He is super mellow. He just was laying here and just letting us weigh him today. He was the most well-behaved puppy out of all of them. And he's awfully cute. I like him. And then our loudest puppy is Purple. She has been very vocal since birth. And then this one, she's pretty easygoing, but she's a little fussy today. And it's not because her belly ain't full. She's just chatty and wants to go on a run. So they have a good amount of teeth. We're really seeing them better now. And they're starting to roll around and crawl more on their feet, which is fun to see. I've never really had puppies before. We did with a barn dog, and so it wasn't something that we saw or interacted with a lot like this. So it's interesting to me to just observe what they do and don't do. They've also this week started biting each other and crawling around and just looking super cute. Joelle got a little video of them biting and growling each other. Do you remember which ones were involved in that?
It's been all of them. I can't remember which ones it was each
you
time.
Videoed. So I have this problem where I will take photos of them and then look at them on my computer and I can't tell them apart. So I put collars on them today and I'll take them off when we leave. But I don't think that most of them were visible in the pictures. So did it help?
It was hard to get their face and
yeah.
the collar.
Yeah.
They make like newborn grunts. Last night they sounded like little owls. It was so funny.
So they're doing really good. We really enjoy them. They're so cute. And then this is like classic corgi. To me, that's more of what you saw. Like the Queen have or Tasha Tudor have. I'm pretty excited to see them get bigger. I think this guy's gonna have a lot more black in him, but again, I don't know how colors change as they age. But their nice little round bellies are so cute. Is his face in focus? Mm-hmm. Little Yellow. He's so cute. Are you so cute? See, he's just super mellow and she's still complaining. Oh, you're going to say something? Okay. You agree that she's complaining? Alright. I just wanted to give everybody an update on the cute little puppies. Because there's nothing better than corgis, except for corgi babies. You say hi? We'll talk to you next time. Bye. Oh, you have no idea how great this is. I got a bouquet. Is this pink right here? No, this is orange. Orange is whining. Oh, you poor little baby. I won't be able to do this in like a week. Okay, maybe I could one more time at 4 weeks. But it would never happen.
Yellow's just laying its head over.
Like, this is so good. Will you guys live here? Oh, they're done. Do you want to start taking one at a time and removing a collar? He's okay. It's okay. You're gonna be okay. Oh, sweet baby. Pretty, pretty baby. green. Oh, how sweet it is to cry like you.
This one's face. I thought it was pink.
Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the blue? Oh.
Orange has surpassed blue by over 100 grams now.
Wow.
She got a little bit. You give her an inch, she takes a smile.
Hey, Orangey. You're growing so big.
Sorry, dude.
What's love got to
Now
do?
you got your favorites last. I didn't even do that on purpose. Per favorite colors.
Are you still videoing?
Yeah.
This is my favorite for no other reason than her eye. Her brown eye.
That was an accident.
Yeah. The orange collar and the orange pet name had nothing to do with it.
I love her dark eyeliner. If it'll let me see.
Corgis, good corgis have that.
And Jersey cows. That's why.
And Great Pyrenees.
Yeah, see? You have a trend in your favorite animals.
Yep. Well, that one's
She's
not coming off her forehead. Okay. I'm out of corgis. If you want a corgi, let us know. Because they need homes before I can't let go.
Before we have 17 dogs.
We have 17 dogs right now. Because we have 3 corgis that we're fostering, 3 corgis that are ours, 8 pups, and then we have our house dog, which is Sandy, and we've had her for 9 years. And then we have 2 livestock guardian dogs in the pasture with our cows and goats and stuff. So 17 is too many. And the feed bill is just going to go up as the puppies get bigger. So if you want a corgi,